Welcome to the Math section of the College Initiative's ACT Prep video series. We've already covered algebra and geometry, and in this video, I'll show you how to navigate the trigonometry problems within the Math section. So again, this is the final video. We're going over trigonometry skills and vocabulary. Don't forget you've got 60 questions, 60 minutes to complete them. So for trigonometry, a lot of students don't encounter it in their classes until the latter half of their junior year, and some don't even encounter it until their senior year. But all you need to know is that it's about right triangles. Right triangles are broken up into the hypotenuse, the opposite, and the adjacent sides in trigonometry. So the hypotenuse is the longest arm of the triangle. It's the side opposite the right angle. The opposite, of course, is the opposite side across from the angle that we're evaluating. And then the adjacent is the adjacent side next to the angle that we're evaluating. You can see that here. So if we're doing this angle right here, this is going to be our adjacent side. Hypotenuse is obviously across from the right angle, and the opposite is across from the angle. If we're evaluating this angle, this will be your opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. This is important because trigonometry often asks you to find different things. A lot of times it'll ask you to find the sine. The sine is the opposite side over the hypotenuse. So if this is my angle that I'm evaluating here, so we'll say sine of star, it's going to be 5/8 because it's our opposite here, it's our hypotenuse. A lot of questions with trigonometry are just going to ask you to find the sine of some angle. For the cosine, it's the adjacent over the hypotenuse. Again, we're evaluating angle star here. So it's going to be 2/8. And then finally, the tangent is going to be the opposite side over the adjacent side. So that's going to be 5/2 for the tangent of star. That's going to be the majority of what you have to find on the trigonometry. You're also sometimes going to have to do inverse trigonometric functions, but they're pretty easy. By inverse, I essentially just mean that they're flipped upside down. So the cosecant is the inverse of sine. It's going to be your hypotenuse over your opposite. The secant, inverse of cosine, hypotenuse over adjacent. And the cotangent is the inverse of tangent, adjacent over hypotenuse. An easy way to remember this is SOHCAHTOA. By that I mean sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. And tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. Give you a bit more time to write that down. But really that's all. If you've got those down, you should be able to navigate your trig problems pretty easily. As always, thanks for tuning in.